Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. Another day is here, and we are together. I'm so glad for that. Well, to those of you who have just joined for the first time, I want you to know we are doing a series on teamwork, and we are continuing today. It's going to be really important for you to listen to the previous programs so that you'll be abreast with where we started from and where we are, because we are building on what we have already said. And I would like you to take also, a minute, every one of you, to like this channel and also share with a friend, invite somebody to watch with you. And I think it will be very beneficial, not only to you, but to your friends. We want everyone to get what we are giving from this platform so that you can also enrich your life and get to know how you can live this life that we have to live but once. So we're talking about teamwork. We have already spoken about collaborative learning, when we can come together and share ideas and learn stuff and things like that. But when it comes to team, it's very, very important that we put all the things that are needed in order. Otherwise, we might end up putting, round pegs into square holes and, stuff like that. So things will not fit and you have to patch things here and there to make up for the lapses. But we can begin doing very well by focusing on what is important and doing things step by step and stage by stage. So it's very important for us to know that a team does not emerge by itself. There is the need to put a team together. So a team has its formation time, the forming stages of a team. And there are a lot of stages that makes a team come together. Today, we'll be looking at the formation stage, that is forming the team, team building. It's very, very important that we first of all define the team. What kind of team is this? What are the things that this team is supposed to do? So for instance, if we are going to reach out to young people in the area of skill development, then this is the goal we are going to go for. When we putting up a team, we put up a team of people who have passion and who have maybe expertise or are able to work with young people in also the area of skill development. What kind of skills? So we have all those things in order, and then we start building the team around that. Once you do that, you now have to also define the roles. Many people will come to a place, he gets a job, he becomes a part of a team or a working group, but he does not know exactly what his role is supposed to be. So roles must be defined based not on maybe familiarity, but it should be based on merit. That is, you qualify to do A, B, or C, or D. And usually this is the team leader's job, to do. He understands the vision and then communicates it to the people and then brings others on board and let people know what is exactly expected of you. For a team to thrive, we have to deal away with, issues of suspicion. So we have to build trustworthiness. We have to build interdependency. It is absolutely important. When people cannot trust you, they will not love to work with you. When people have doubts about you, they will never come out fully to, bring what they have. So as team leaders or people who are leading, we understand the need for a team to make the dream work, but also there is the importance of making the team members very satisfied. So we have to build trustworthiness. When people open up, it's not used against them, but rather they open up, and if there is something negative happening, we find solutions to that. It is also very important that in teams, we have the right communication going on. What are the kind of communications we can have, being on this team or being a member of this group? It is very, very important that these things are defined right in the beginning so that there wouldn't be any surprises. People should know what they are signing up for so that they can weigh, the options and see if he will fully be able to give himself. Sometimes we get so frustrated because people do come, and then after a time, their interest reduces, and we don't see them being active. We wonder why. But all the time, they have been the way they are. And if we had communicated things to them in the beginning, they would have maybe made a decision to say, well, I don't think I can make it, or I would not give full time. And then you have that at the back of your mind, and there wouldn't be any surprises. Also, every team has a task. In the formation time, we have to also define what are issues or what are problems. Once we locate the problem, then we need to also get a strategy to resolving these problems. It is very, very important. Things have to be, sent to people. There are needs that people have that we as a team would have to work on. So there's a need to strategically plan to resolve issues, to bring, solutions to people. We need to have a strategy for that, and we have to identify the resources that we need. Well, this is today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's a joy that we are here continuing on the topic of teamwork. And we are saying today that it is good for a team to be formed. So in the formation stage of a team, we are building this team. We define what it is so that others coming in will know where they are coming to. We have to make sure individual roles are mapped up and, clearly communicated so that nobody would be found wanting or not doing what he has to do at when he has to do it. So it is very important that we also build trust into our teams, that we can trust one another. And by the way, there is also the part of communication. Communication enriches the team. If we have the right positive communications, I communicate a problem, you think through it, and you bring a solution as to how we can do it, and it goes vice versa, and it goes together. We all look at something happening, and we are like, how can we resolve it? And then once we put our heads together, we are able to get solutions. So I want you to be encouraged that in life, never give up, never say it's over, because there is continuity for you. This has been today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher. Until we see you again next week, remember, you have to be formed into what will make the team work. Each member of a team is like the egg that is used in making omelette. We are as important so long as we are fresh and we are okay. So till I see you again next week, this has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and I'm Dr. Kitcher. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now.